If you're looking around your garden this spring and lacking a little color, one shrub you might want to add to your garden is Kerria japonica, or Japanese Kerria, also called Japanese rose, because you can see the beautiful flowers that it has in the springtime. Now, this is a cultivar called pleniflora, which has a double flower, and this is the typical one that you see on the market, but the traditional regular genus species is a single flower. Now, it is a yellow flower. There is also a white cultivar available, but you can see the shrub really likes a space that it can sprawl next to some trees, so it gets some shade, but prefers a little bit of a sun as well. One thing that really is nice about this shrub are these graceful green arching branches that will persist throughout the winter time. Again, you want to give it a place that it can sprawl, because it also tends to sucker a little bit, which can be a problem depending on where you've planted it. While it can get to be an impressive size, as you can see, it's over my head at about 6 feet, you can rejuvenate it by cutting it back to the ground every couple of years to help maintain that size a little bit. This is a great shrub to add to your garden for a little extra spring color.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.